Want to withdraw from Betmgm? Here's a quick 60-second walkthrough. Step 1. Open the Betmgm app or website and sign in. Tap your profile icon, then choose Cashier or Wallet from the menu. Select Withdraw to view your available balance and methods. Pick your preferred method like e-check, PayPal, card, or bank transfer. Enter the amount, confirm the destination account or save card. Review processing times. E-check 1 to 3 business days, PayPal instant to 24 hours. Bank transfers typically take 2 to 5 business days, depending on your bank. Tap Confirm and complete required security checks like OTP or ID verification. If verification is required, upload clear photos and follow on-screen prompts carefully. Troubleshooting tip: if delayed, check pending status, payment method, then contact support with transaction ID. Keep withdrawal receipts, monitor your bank, and enjoy secure withdrawals on Betmgm.